Hi team, welcome back to Selenium live project training. This is Selenium live project training day 2. Selenium day 2 live project training. First of all, what we discussed yesterday we discussed about what is automation testing and what are the disadvantages of manual and as well as advantages of automation testing. Yes, disadvantages of manual and as well as advantages of automation testing. Disadvantages of manual and advantages of automation testing, and as well as automation lifecycle and Selenium features. So once again, I'm writing again Selenium features, what we discussed in yesterday class. Everyone, what are the Selenium features? First one, it is an open source, nothing but free of cost. Free of cost. Second one, it is not automation tool, it is called automation suite. Why it is called automation suite? Because it is a combination of 4 components are there. How many components are there? 4 components such as Selenium IDE, and second one Selenium RC, and third one Selenium WebDriver, and fourth one Selenium Grid. Once again, Selenium, there are 4 components are there such as IDE, RC, WebDriver, and as well as Grid. WebDriver and as well as what? Grid. But 80 to 90% we have to work with Selenium WebDriver because it is the main powerful component in Selenium. How it is powerful, I'll explain, no worry. Okay. Now, next, and it is a functional testing tool. Yes, it's a functional testing tool. You know already automation tool classified into functional testing tools and as well as non-functional testing tools. Everyone, once again, automation tool classified into functional testing tool and as well as non-functional testing tool. Functional testing tool and as well as non-functional testing tool. So what is mean by the functional testing, non-functional testing tool, which is validating client and business requirements are called functional, which is validating client and business expectations are called non-functional, is called non-functional. Next. Next one, it's automate web browser applications only. It's automate what to what? It's automate web browser applications only. It's automate web browser applications only. Web browser applications means which is opened by the browser, which is working by the internet. Which is opened by the browser, which is working by the internet. And it's a regression testing tool. It's a what? Regression testing tool. Regression testing manually not possible. That's what to perform regression testing. That's what to perform regression testing. We can use automation tool as Selenium. Understand my point? And as well as it support number of operating systems. What are the operating systems? Such as Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. And as well as it support, everyone, it support number of browsers. What are the browsers it will be support? Such as Chrome and Firefox and Safari and Opera and Edge, all browsers. And as well as it support number of languages. What are the languages it will be support? Java language, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, Perl, etc. etc. It support number of languages. Yes, it support what to what? Number of languages. It support number of languages. Once again, it support number of operating system. It support number of browsers. It support number of languages. And yesterday I told you, enter the world only only one automation tool, that too Selenium. Yes, the two Selenium support that much of features. Once again, first feature, it is an open source. Due to this reason, any company Selenium they able to use. Next one, and it is combination of 4 components are there: IDE, RC, WebDriver grid, and it is a functional testing tool. And it is it is a automate web browser application, and it's it's a regression testing tool. It support number of operating system, it support number of browsers, and it support number of languages. It support what to what? Number of languages. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes, it support number of languages. Now, everyone, first of all, let us know what is the history of Selenium. First of all, my question. Who developed Selenium? Any idea? Who developed Selenium? Any idea? I need your answer in chat box. Who developed Selenium? Okay, cool. The different answers are received, but I'll explain clearly. You know, the first of all, Selenium. Everyone, history of Selenium. First, Selenium introduced by Jason Huggins. He is from ThoughtWorks company. He is from what? ThoughtWorks company. But he is developer. He is not testing engineer. He was developer. He developed he developed one web browser application. He developed what? Web browser application. After development of web browser application to test, he prepared one small Java script. The JavaScript name as JavaScript test runner, JavaScript test runner, later renamed as Selenium core. It was the first Selenium. Once again, Jason Huggins, like he is from ThoughtWorks company, and he was developer at the ThoughtWorks. He developed web browser application. Web browser application means which is opened by the browser. After development to test whether the web browser application working or not, he prepared small JavaScript name as JavaScript test runner, later renamed as Selenium core. Later renamed as what? Selenium core. Once again, Jason Huggins, he is from ThoughtWorks company. To automate web browser application, he prepared small JavaScript name as Selenium core. Selenium core means just a JavaScript. There is no components at the time. It's happened in 2004 at the time. Understand my point? After 2004 at the time, Shinya Kastani, Shinya Kastani, he is from Japan. He is not from ThoughtWorks. He is from Japan. He developed one small extension into web browser. He developed one small extension into the browser. He developed one small extension into the browser, used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. Recording and playback. Normally in our mobile, we have the option as recording and playback, right? So we can record number of times and as well as we can play. Same like that. Application actions such as login, register, application actions we can record, and number of times by checking whether working or not, we can confirm whether functionality working or not. Functionality, so working or not. Everyone, once again, Shinya Kastani from Japan. He developed one small extension into Firefox browser. The extension nothing but call as IDE. The extension nothing but call as what? IDE. So IDE used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. Once again, Shinya Kastani developed IDE as an extension. Extension means right side of the browser will be there now, like extensions and plugins. So he developed one extension and plugin. The extension nothing but call as IDE. It is used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. But 2004 at the time, Shinya Kastani decided IDE donated to Selenium project. Why he donated? Because Selenium core also to automate web browser application. Even IDE also to automate web browser applications, right? Both are to automate what? Web browser applications. That's what Shinya Kastani, what he decided? He decided to donate IDE to Selenium project. Then it is called Selenium IDE. In 2004 at the time, he donated IDE to Selenium project. Then it is called Selenium. Yes, then it is called Selenium IDE. Once again, first Selenium introduced by Jason Huggins. He is engineer at ThoughtWorks company. He developed one web browser application. After development, he prepared one small JavaScript. Name as JavaScript test runner, later renamed as Selenium core. And everyone, later renamed as Selenium core. And next, Shinya Kastani, he developed one extension into the browser, which is used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. Recording and playback on web browser application. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Next, 2006 at the time, Paul Hammonth. He created, everyone, Paul Hammonth, he created one server. Yes, he created one server which is used to perform, functional testing. Wait. First of all, he created one server. The server name is called RC. RC stands for remote control. It is used to perform functional testings on web browser application. Once again, Paul Hamad, he created one server. The server name nothing but call as RC. RC stands for remote control. What is the use of remote control server? To perform functional testings on web browser application. And after Simon Stewart. Who is that? Simon Stewart. He created collection of programs. Yes, he created what? Collection of programs as a Selenium WebDriver. As a what? Selenium WebDriver. It is also used to perform functional testings on web browser application. If you observe, RC also same, WebDriver also same. What are the same? RC used to perform functional testings on web browser, and everyone, RC used to perform functional testings on web browser, and WebDriver also used to perform functional testings on web browser. Yes, it is also used to perform what? Functional testings on web browser. And which one is most powerful? WebDriver is most powerful than RC. Why? One small example I'll tell you. RC working as a server in between the browser and user. RC is a server. It's working in between the browser and the user. But without server, directly we can perform operations by using WebDriver. We can perform operations by using WebDriver. Once again, RC working as a server in between the browser and user, but WebDriver without server, we can perform operations. Without server, we can perform operations. I hope you understood. So WebDriver is most powerful than RC. That's what, what happened? 2009 at the time. RC merged with WebDriver. RC merged with WebDriver, release as a Selenium 2.0. Release as a what? Selenium 2.0. Everyone, understand guys up to here? Very good. Once again, first of all, Jason Huggins, he is from ThoughtWorks company. He developed one web browser application. After development, to test that, he prepared one small JavaScript named as JavaScript Test Runner, later renamed as Selenium Core. Next, Sheena Kastani, he developed one small extension into Firefox browser. The extension nothing but call as Selenium IDE. What is the use of IDE? It is used to perform recording and playback on web browser application. And after RC, remote control, it is used to perform functional testings on web browser application. Next, Simon Stewart, he created collection of programs as a web driver. It is also used to perform on web browser application. It is most powerful than RC. That's what 2009 at the time. RC merged with WebDriver. Next, Patrick Lightbody. And he developed Selenium Grid. He developed Selenium Grid. It is used to cross browser, and as well as cross platform testing. Once again, Patrick Lightbody, everyone, it is used to perform cross browser and as well as cross platform testing. Once again, Simon Stewart, it is a collection of programs, everyone, collection of programs as a WebDriver. It is used to perform functional testing. And Selenium Grid, it is used to perform cross-browser, cross-platform testing. What is mean by the cross-browser, cross-platform? Nothing but at a time, application support by number of operating systems, number of browsers and number of operating systems supporting are not. You know, this is introduced in 2006. Once again, 2004, Selenium introduced. 2004, same IDE and as well as RC. 2006, sorry, WebDriver and Selenium Grid. So 2009, RC merged with WebDriver. There is no separately RC in the market. So as of now, only 4 components available. Only subject wise 4, but only 3 components available now. Once again, I'll explain. Jason Huggins, he created one, he developed one web browser application. The web browser application, nothing but call as, Selenium core. To develop a web browser application, he created JavaScript. Sorry, the JavaScript, nothing but call as Selenium core. After IDE, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it is used to perform recording and playback. Recording and playback. Next. And RC functional testings on web browser, WebDriver. It is also functional testings on web browser, and it is most powerful than RC. And Grid, it is used to perform cross browser and cross platform testing. Cross browser and cross platform testing. So finally, what is purpose of RC? What is purpose of RC? First of all, what is purpose of IDE? Recording and playback. What is purpose of IDE? Recording and playback. What is purpose of RC? Functional testing. What is purpose of WebDriver? Functional testing, but most powerful than RC. And what is purpose of Grid? Used to perform cross browser, cross platform testing. So today we can start first component, Selenium IDE. Everyone, just I want to ask 1 or 2 questions from that because important. Just give me answers in chat box. I'll ask 1 or 2 questions. First question, who introduced Selenium? I need your answer. Who introduced Selenium? Very good. That's and against. Next question. What is the purpose of IDE? What is purpose of IDE? Just give me for 2 questions, guys. Then we can start the class again. What is purpose of IDE? Because very, very important. Very good. Recording and playback. Next question. What is purpose of RC and WebDriver? And which one is most powerful? What is purpose of RC and WebDriver? Please do it fast. We can continue next topic again. Please do it fast. Very good. Very good. RC used to perform functional testing. WebDriver also used it to perform functional testing, but WebDriver most powerful than RC. Last question. Last question. What is the purpose of grid? But good response, guys. Almost 95% people are responding. What is purpose of grid? Very good. Now, today we can start our first component as Selenium IDE. Everyone, today we can start our first component as Selenium IDE. As of now, market only 3 components available. IDE, WebDriver, Grid. So 3 components we can learn in our class. IDE we can learn, WebDriver we can learn, and as well as Grid also we can learn. But the thing is, 80 to 90%, we have to work with WebDriver. That's what live project we can learn by using WebDriver. We can learn live project by using WebDriver. So today we can start IDE. First of all, IDE in the real time, out of 100% of the project implementation, we can use only 3 to 5%. Yes, true. Only 3 to 5%, and some of the projects there is no use also. But of course, subject wise, we have to learn everything. That's what first 2 to 3 days. Let's complete it IDE. Then we can go to live project. Understand? Then we can go to live project. Okay, fine. Now, let me, everyone. So let me discuss about that, how to implement. Yes, how to implement. First of all, IDE stands for integrated development environment. Once again, IDE stands for integrated development environment, which is developed by Shinya Kastani, from Japan. And by using this only, smoke testing we can perform. Smoke testing means what? Smoke testing means nothing but checking basic functionality. Everyone, once again, smoke testing means nothing but checking basic functionality. Once again, IDE stands for integrated development environment, which is developed by Shinya Kastani. Which is developed by Shinya Kastani. Developed by Shinya Kastani from Japan. And it is only smoke testing. It is only what? Smoke testing. Checking basic functionality. What is meant by the basic functionality? Nothing but, like whether application open or not, application responding or not, whether application so only smoke testing, checking basic functionality. And next, it is not any tool. Yes, it's a it's a what? Plugin. Everyone, it's a plugin into Firefox and Chrome, and recently Edge browsers. It doesn't support with any others. Only support Firefox, Chrome, Edge browsers. And by using this, what kind of functionality? By using this recording and playback. By using that what to what? Once again, it is a plugin, Firefox and Chrome and as well as Edge browsers. And it is used to perform recording and playback. It is used to perform what to what? Recording and playback. Next, it is used to perform recording and playback. And next one, recording and playback means what? During recording, every action will be recorded as a HTML format. Let me write here. During recording, every action record as a HTML commands. But later we can convert. Yes, later we can convert to we can convert to Java or JavaScript or Python or Ruby, C# like that. We can converting into other languages. Once again, IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is developed by Shinya Kastani from the Japan. It is only for smoke testing, nothing but checking basic functionality. And it is a plugin into Firefox and Chrome browsers. It doesn't support with any other Chrome and Edge browsers. It doesn't support with any other browsers. It is used to perform recording and playback. During recording, every action record as a HTML commands. Later, we can convert to other languages such as Java, JavaScript, Python, and as well as C#. So let's download and install. Let's download, download and install IDE. So, if you want to download, install IDE, only 3 browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, and as well as Edge. So I'm opening the Chrome. So let me download. And if you want to download Selenium related any files, Selenium related any tools, we can use Selenium official website as seleniumhq.org or selenium.dev. Are you able to see? Selenium.dev. It is a Selenium official website. So don't download from any third-party portals. Directly, everything you can download from selenium.dev. selenium.dev. So selenium.dev. Here in this page, go to downloads. Are able to see? Go to downloads. And if you scroll down, you can find out the left side heading as Selenium IDE. Under this, with green color, you can find out the links Chrome, Firefox, Edge. Release notes means recently what updated the notes we can get here. So now I am using the Chrome. Just click on the Chrome. Which browser you are using? You can click on that. Click on the Chrome. Click on the Chrome. In next page, you can find out as add to Chrome. Are you able to see? Just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Once again, add to Chrome, click on add extension. See guys, Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. I hope you understood guys up to here. Once I'll remove and I'll show you. Once again navigation I'm showing. First of all, selenium.dev. It is Selenium official website. Go to downloads. Under the downloads, if you scroll down, left side under the Selenium IDE, Click on the link which is required. Just you can click on that. And the right side, add to Chrome. Click on add extension. And after that, see, Selenium IDE has been added to Chrome. After how to launch IDE, everyone, just I'll open the Google something. Right side are able to see extension icon first of all. Open, there you can see IDE plugin. You can choose, then it will be visible here. Just go to plugins here. If you select Selenium IDE, it will be visible here. There, just double click on Selenium IDE. Just double click on what? Selenium IDE. Yes, just double click on Selenium IDE. Then Selenium IDE will be open. Selenium IDE will be open. I hope you understood, guys, up to here. Yes. Selenium IDE will be open. So everyone, how to perform recording and playback? Next class, Monday. Tomorrow no class. Next class Monday. Yesterday, today just demo sessions, guys. So Monday onwards regular classes. So of course, Monday also you can attend as a demo session, no issues. One more class they will allow. Next class Monday we can continue. Got it my point? But one thing, to learn Selenium, if you are from non-technical background also 100% you can easy to understand. But every day, definitely how to practice. That's what. After 2 days, I'll create one WhatsApp group. I'll add the lab faculty team. So while you're practicing, if you have any doubt, if you ping him, always he can support you recording that. Understand my point? Thank you. Thank you so much. So any doubts, any questions? I'll wait some time to clarify your doubts. Any doubts, any questions, you can ask me. I'll clarify that. Automation every day after class, I'll wait for a few minutes to clarify the doubts. Yes, Vijay, automation recordings you can get, but who done that, payment and everything, those students, you can contact the management, they will forward that. They will give the access for everything. Everyone, you can unmute. You can unmute and you can talk. You have that access now.
Can experienced people get placement opportunities?
See, here the thing is, Training Institute tie up with some of the IT companies, and as well as we can give something reference to attend up to the interview. After that, you have to crack. So that is depending on how you're performing. But to perform well, definitely we can train up to that.
Hello, sir.
You can give the reference to go for interview. Yes.
Good evening, sir. Myself, Srinagar Jyoti.
Yeah, Jyoti.
Sir, I have a career gap, sir. I'm
See,
from
who will
non-IT
have career
background.
gap? No, who will have career gap? Next weekend, I'll take one small session. Then
Okay.
I can help you how to fulfill the gap and everything.
Okay, sir. Because I want to go towards IT side now, so that's why I want to take this course.
Yeah, understood.
Uh,
No worry, I'll help you.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
That's it, sir.
thank
Your
you.
classes is very good, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And someone is asking, sir, Selenium with Python possible? Python possible. If you learn Selenium with Java, then easily in future, what language you want to implement, you can implement that. And to learn Selenium, core Java required. That is basic concepts. I'll cover in the class. No worry. You don't need to learn any core Java and core Java background. Not required before only. Everything I'll teach you. Just zero knowledge you can attend the class.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
but I am from non-IT background, sir.
No worry. I'm also from non-IT. 15 years back.
As I want to join in that WhatsApp group, sir. I want to learn Selenium IDE, sir.
Yeah, that's what. Monday I'll create the WhatsApp and I'll add into that. Monday or
Okay,
Tuesday.
sir.
So once I'll create the WhatsApp group and who done the registration and management will add you and we will support. No worry.
Okay, sir.
And also there, sir, in that WhatsApp group, because if we have any doubts, then we have to contact you about subject.
Yes, there you can get the supporting team. They will give you the support in WhatsApp. And
Okay,
even
sir. Okay,
sometimes in installation problem, one-to-one also they will support for that.
okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah, sir. This is Santosh, sir.
yes, Santosh.
Yeah, sir. So just for feedback, sir, your class is very good, sir. Very helpful to us, sir. That's why. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks.
Someone girl said try to talk. You know who is the name?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Komal.
Yeah, Komal.
So I want to ask you, sir, is there a manual testing class is going or not, sir?
It's going on. The same link is going on 78.
Okay, I'm not aware about that because I'm not going to join from last 2 days.
No,
That's
it's
why.
78. It's going on. You can join.
Okay. And sir, my concern is regarding fee structure. So,
One minute. The fee structure and everything, please contact the management because I'm not right person to talk that one.
okay, all right, sir. So, is there any contact person number? Is it possible to share you in the
Sure.
chat box?
They will share in chat box. Just wait.
Got it.
And any other doubts?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I have some same thing. I mean, have career gaps, sir.
That's what the career gap people. I'll talk with them next week. One day, the extra half an hour I'll wait and I'll help you one to one. One to one, I'll talk with them.
Okay, sir. Sir, only I mean, what I mean, only face to I mean, one individuality facing the interview, sir.
You mean what?
I
Didn't
mean,
understand the question.
I mean, I have communication is not much.
See, Shantosh, your name Shantosh, right?
No, sir, Rangareddy.
Yeah, Rangareddy, one thing. Communication is not nothing but no need to join any spoken English classes, no need to learn past tense, present tense, future tense. Only one thing.
Yeah.
Try to, first point, try to talk with someone every day.
Okay.
If they're laughing also, try. And second point, take the paper and pen. While watching the movies, in the Netflix or Amazon, in the bottom, you can find out some titles. There,
Yeah.
what are the frequently word you are talking in your house, with your friends, somewhere, note that points. Next day onwards, try to use every day one new word, try to talk. That's it. Within
Okay.
1 or 2 months, you can see definitely more change in your communication.
Thank you, sir. Classes, I mean, one understanding easy English, sir. So that's why I join interested.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay, sir. So Monday I will explain about career gaps, sir.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
confirm and
Next week, I'll next week.
okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, he's being recorded for interview.
I'll no, once batch is done, then I'll give you the interview tips and everything. First of all, technical is important, na? Once it is done, then I'll help you recording that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fine. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
This is Mallikarjuna.
Yeah, Mallikarjuna.
Yeah, sir, you said all the cucumber testing, TestNG, and API testing, within this all will complete it within 50 days, is it possible, sir?
50 to 60 maximum, 2 months. Yeah.
Yes, we are taking on the 1 hour class session, right?
No, the thing is coming soon. 1.5 hour also we can take the class once we enter into main subject. Next thing, weekends also we can spend the more time for that. And I said 50 to 60 working days. So definitely working days means it will not count Sundays. It will not count holidays, right?
Okay. And what I'm thinking, maybe it would count, weekdays also you will counting.
No,
That's
no,
why-
No. Without that, it will be count. That's what.
Okay. Yeah, that's.
What is the best?
It is full stack, right? For first thing, it is a course for full stack of testing.
Yes, I mean that meaning total you can learn. All frameworks you can learn. Not only one
Yeah.
concept.
Sure, thanks.
Yeah.
Yes,
Who is the girl? Someone is asking.
And in Selenium ID. I am not get it when you are telling the class.
No. Selenium ID, no worry. Once again, Monday I'll explain the class.
I mean it is just open or not close or
No,
not
no,
like
that's what. Just idea I'll show in the Monday. Just today give an introduction. On Monday I'll show you that.
that. Okay, thank you.
Who is the girl? Someone is asking.
Sir, one more question.
Yes.
Is there any job assistance? Is it's 100% was what exactly it is?
See, the thing is,
Can you
I'll tell you. So we tie up with almost 300 plus companies. So whenever openings are there, information we can get the update. Through the reference, we can share your profiles. If it is a got shortlisted, directly you can attend the interview with this reference. We can give the reference and we can push up to the interview. After that, you have to crack by yourself. We can give the interview references. That's it.
Okay, and may I know how many reference will be given by you? Is it
That is totally depending on two. One is first depending on your profile, how much it is impact and how it will be effectiveness. And whenever you get the HR round, how you are communicating with them, how you are convince them for the technical round. And the second thing, depending on market also. Because if you heard about January to up to before May, June, market is too bad, but now it's getting good. Whenever getting good, so you can expect something better calls.
okay?
Fine. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So we can continue. Then Monday, next class Monday. Monday we can continue. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to all. Happy weekend to all. Bye-bye.